6 people are dead after 2 World War II-era military planes collided in midair and crashed at Dallas Executive Airport during an airshow Saturday afternoon. 5 of the victims were on the B-17, while 1 victim was on the P-63 when they crashed. Video shows the P-63 Kingcobra, a single-engine aircraft, approach the B-17 Flying Fortress from behind its left wing after a low pass over the airfield. The smaller plane appears to hit the 4-engine bomber in the center during a sweeping left turn. Then both aircraft plummets to the ground before being engulfed in flames.
Oh my God! Are you serious, bro? This shit really just happened, right?
The B-17 was part of the collection of the Commemorative Air Force, nicknamed Texas Raiders. It was one of about 45 complete surviving examples of the model, only 9 of which were airworthy. The P-63 was even rarer. Some 14 examples are known to survive, 4 of which, in the US, were airworthy, including one owned by the Commemorative Air Force. More than 12,000 B-17s were produced by Boeing, Douglas Aircraft and Lockheed between 1936 and 1945, with nearly 5,000 lost during the war, and most of the rest scrapped by the early 1960s. On the other hand, about 3,300 P-63s were produced by Bell Aircraft between 1943 and 1945, and were principally used by the Soviet Air Force in World War II. That's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe to this channel, so you don't miss any of our new content. Thanks for watching and see you next time.